how to use my iPad as a monitor or external display screen. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to firstly type in Duet display on Google, wait for that to load, go to the main page. Now, once you're on the main page, you can either download for Mac or Windows, depending on which one you use. I have a Windows PC, so I would click on the Windows option in this case. Once I am in there, I can click download and allow the app to download on the PC. This will take a few minutes to download. Once it is downloaded, open it up for installation. The setup wizard will show up, and once it shows up, all you have to do is to click on install, and once you've clicked on install, you just wait for the installation to complete. This will take a few minutes to complete. Once this is done, go to the App Store on your iPad and type in Duet display again to install it on your iPad. I have already installed it on my iPad, so I can click open once I go in there. But when you first try to install it, it will ask you to pay £9.99 for installation. You can pay the £9.99 so you can install it, which allows you to install it. Once it's open, you can see that mine has already recognized my laptop because we already have a connection stable. Now open the app on the PC and open the app on the iPad. Make sure that you have connected the lightning cable from the iPad to the PC, as it needs the wired connection from the iPad for it to work. Once it is connected, you will see the features on the PC and the iPad telling you that it's connected. You can also see it from this view where you can see them side by side, and you can see that they are fully connected. Now you can see that it's used as it's being used as an extended monitor. So if you're a student, this is especially useful for students. So if you're at uni or college in America and you don't want to spend money on a monitor, it's a good view. If you have a tablet, they have apps for Android tablets as well. So if you have a tablet and you can use that as your extended monitor, and it works well. At least it gives you another screen to look at, and to expand your vision when you're doing some work, or if you're in the office, or if you want 3 monitors, for example. So if you've got an extended monitor already, and then you want to use this as another one, then this also helps. But yeah, thanks guys. Okay, thanks guys, and please click the subscribe button for more videos. I will be doing more videos. Alright guys, hope you Rob out.